Joey McIntyre is an American singer, songwriter, and actor. He was born on December 31, 1972 in Needham, Massachusetts, United States. He is the youngest of 9 children with older siblings, Judy, Alice, Susan, and Tricia, Carol, Jen, Kate, and Tommy. He was raised in an Irish-American Catholic family. McIntyre graduated from Catholic Memorial School in West Roxbury, Massachusetts, and all-male Catholic private school. He shares the same birth date as his sister Carol. Another one of his sisters, Judy, is an actress. He has sold over 1 million records worldwide as a solo artist. He has worked in film, television, and stage, including performing on Broadway. He is best known as the youngest member of the pioneering boy band New Kids on the Block. McIntyre married Barrett Williams on August 9, 2003, exactly 1 year after they met. They have 3 children, one of whom has congenital hearing loss. On March 24, 2022, McIntyre originated the role of Johnny in the new musical production of The Wanderer at the Paper Mill Playhouse in Melbourne, NJ. He continued in this role for the duration of the show's run until April 28, 2022. On February 4, 2019, McIntyre returned to Broadway as the character Dr. Pometer in the musical Waitress, and he continued in this role until April 7, 2019. In 2013, McIntyre appeared in the American buddy cop comedy The Heat as Peter Mullins, brother of Detective Shannon Mullins, played by Melissa McCarthy. In 2014, McIntyre appeared in the CBS TV sitcom The McCarthys, playing Gerard McCarthy. In 2016, he appeared on the Netflix comedy Fuller House with all of the members of New Kids on the Block. Then later in Season 5, Episode 18, in the final show of the series of Fuller House titled Our Very Last Show, again, he appeared as himself officiating the triple wedding of the 3 main couples. McIntyre appeared as Fonzie in Happy Days, a musical based on the hit TV show at the Falcon Theatre in Los Angeles from February 15 to March 12, 2006, and the second run from June 23 to August 13, 2006. McIntyre appeared in the film on Broadway, which was filmed in his hometown of Boston. In April 2008, the New Kids on the Block reunited. The single Summertime was released in May 2008. Their first full-length album in 14 years was released on September 2, 2008, titled The Block. On September 18, 2008, they kicked off their reunion tour. In 2009, they began a full-service summer tour. They toured with Backstreet Boys in 2011. On November 17, 2009, McIntyre released the single and video Here We Go Again from his upcoming EP of the same name. In November 2011, McIntyre released a Christmas album titled Come Home for Christmas. The album features a collaboration with fellow New Kid Jordan Knight on Peace on Earth and includes holiday classics such as Winter Wonderland, Do You Hear What I Hear, and the Christmas Song. In 2004, he starred in the film Tony and Tina's Wedding alongside Mila Kunis and also played Fiyero, the leading male role in the Broadway musical Wicked, for which he received rave reviews. He replaced Norbert Leo Butz on July 20, 2004 and remained with the show until January 9, 2005, where he was later replaced by David Ayers. He also competed on the first season of the reality television show Dancing with the Stars, winning third place with dance professional partner Ashley Del Grosso.